Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka khatsau tarik unai wing kadika singkha jong umintri rang ba do baningkong e jong kari India u Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru bat namar ba ude ubri uba e bat sngotanat e ki Khynnah rib bat bakwa ba ki Khynnah di banyo e ko hok jong ki khamtam ha ka puli puthi ya ka singkha jong u la ai Burom kum ka Sngi ki Khynnah ne ka Children's Day bat manau snem la Rakhe ka Children's Day ha kaleng ki school bat kishlem a ji kai ya ki Khynnah ha kaleng kari India ka Shat Jingshai Social Service Society kadeka way na kishlem a ji kai ka bala Rakhe ka Children's Day kani kadeka kishlem ka bapanya da ki sister jong ka NC Late Secular Institute ka badana ka shnong banyon oposhilong ka Shat Jingshai ka la Rakhe ka Children's Day ha ka khat atri unai wing namar ba ha ka khat saw ki bon ki Khynnah ret ki bedang yalong exam badya ka program na palong ha St Thomas Hall u kongsa na kani ka Sngi ude ba banzilio marbo ubla long ru rang ba balang jong ka St Thomas Church la don lang ru usketri jong ka Shat Jingshai ka sister Gizel ka vice principal ka sister Liza bat ki weipan ha ka ni ka Sngi gila ais mo bhai ki Khynnah rib da ki tiar bakin pendon kam ha ka por ba ki tho exam.
All of us speak, okay? Let me surprise you. So Children's Day is celebrated for what? Any idea? No. Okay. To value or to give the importance to the children. Okay, tell me one thing. What could be the most important nature or value of the child? If you think yourself, what do you think that is your best quality? Anybody? They should be smart children, right? Our children, all of you are smart. So anybody, what is the best quality of a child? I want to see some courageous hands going up. Anyone? Something? Okay. I will give you 3 options, okay? Innocence, right? Courage, maybe leadership. What do you think among these 3 are best quality? Can you rate it? Yes or no? Yeah? Some say yes. Then tell me, what do you think? Can you tell me? Just try.
Sister told that why we are here, and you know that why we are here. To remember a great person. Who is that? Jawaharlal Nehru. And this person used to be Indira Gandhi, the Prime Minister of India. But one more thing is there, you know, who is she? The daughter of Nehru. The daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved his daughter so much. He used to write letters to her, and he loved his daughter so much. And he loved the children also. Yes? And Jawaharlal Nehru was called, popularly known as Chacha. You know why? What does it mean, Chacha? Chacha Nehru? Anybody knows? Chacha means uncle. Uncle. No? Chacha Nehru. Why they called him uncle? Simply anybody we don't call uncle. The person whom we love, we call uncle. Chacha Nehru. That much children loved him. He was with the children and he wanted the children get a chance to study well like that. Yes? And we are called Ancille sisters. And from where we are? Which state? Anybody knows? We are from Kerala. Kerala, a state where great missionary saints like Father Kuriakos Elias, who lit the light of education in the hearts of so many children. And now, thousands of missionaries going to different parts of India and each corner of the world, continuing the mission of spreading education. Yes, and we are here with the same mission to support the children who want to study, go ahead with their education like that. And see, Sister Disal told, Nehru told that children are the future of India. What does it mean? Or they build the future of India. You understand? See, when the children study well, become the responsible citizens, and that country develops. And that is what we too want. See, I told you that we are here with the same mission that you children go ahead in education. We have seen that so many children who are not getting the chance either or not able to go ahead with education because of so many reasons. So we are here to support. Now here about 200 children, not only these 200 children, we are supporting more than that. Nearly 300 children we are supporting. And whenever you meet, you say that, sister, thank you so much. That means you have gratitude in your heart. And how you are going to show your gratitude? We want that you show your gratitude by studying well. Study well and become responsible persons in the society.
Rakhe legacy crown, Khynnah, Jawaharlal Nehru, Prime Minister Burom India, Kwa Palpani, Yapi Khynnah, Bagari India, Rakhe Gordon. P. Natai Pinu Yen Joking, Kamtame, Chaiba, Jingshai, Yen. Probably a one come here, they do one come, here when you do one come. Khynnah say, Shale. Suppose a Hawaii by here, more than a one come, what pan, Piat, Khynnah say, Shale here. Huh? Say, Shale, no. Shall you? Next time, I want to win. Mình sẽ nay này khởi định ngay state cái năm này hả đây nè học qua Burom meeting hay gì long meeting như vậy ipa ra tham gia meeting vào lại hè Burom long vào hè Khynnah sẽ sao vậy này hả Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Burom cái India come today cái India come cái tay cái India là cái God cái Khynnah namar balai juga di India, kasong lagi terpeng joki. Disuruh, itu kena ngatring India sangat sekabangkit dan paham. Nih, kata kena sekarang apa banyak sekolah, mungkin apa ini hidup kebat joki, ajaran bangkit, tu yang pecah sendiri. Namanya adalah nasi hikai, nanti nasi hikai sekolah berjuang, dengan nasi sekolah tu nabi kena dipecah. Ada kipecah nggak jalan tino. Kata kena sekarang kita itu sedikit, nak sekarang, pecah sini. Nah, sesuatu yang paling dan ketika di Rakhe jadi Sngi. Nah, sesuatu namar ba ni ban ong ini kena pilih di bawah. Yang pilih di Jingshai ba Shat Shat yang kita bersama. And then pilih di bawah. Nah, ketika now di sistem kita Sngi, kita kotor ni. Kita kotor, hadu kita sistem ini. Hadu ba kita kerja ni kita kuliah ni कि आइन ट्रेनिंग के फी बराबर कि खत के फी बराबर चने बनवान चने बाकी दा क्वा ए फी बाफिट के ओ जिंग बुजोगी फियासो इस सिस्टम लाइजा मने यो मन बा फी अपनो इस सिस्टम यो कुने सिबोन सिस्टम दिने मा पीपल पावर के सोंगो इस सिस्टम एक सिस्टम बा कि कशान ने नहीं नो के जिंग सोंगो कबा क्राउड का कबा पिला बन आई yo play baby sister, they gay, nakababangkit, they gay, kagari kecil semua tahu tahu bapak apa nice, shock, sangap sini, kena sangap sini, sangap sini, baik, kali dia hingkor lagi, sister hingkor lagi, he one of the hingkor lagi. Kebagusan kebawah sistem di dalam kampan lepas. Kaya jingan jing sistem. Kemudian jingan jing sistem. Kemudian kita salah. Yang bawa tu alur ni, tu baik hot. Burom, seperti lebih baik sangat. Yang, apa baik hot. Jing sistem ni jing suatu yang kita baru. Mentah pisau tu, kamu you main, kamu you pa, pisau tu kamu you sedang, kamu you kentai, pisau tu kamu you bayong, kamu you kebalik, dengar? Jingnang jingstar. Hak jingim dan kau jingnang jingstar, jingsau tu yang ini baru, yang kentai, kemudian pada beliau, nakam bansau tu, banang di bantip, kumno ban pedang kami di staf joki. Kumno ban kami kisah joki. Mentah banang nang ban soja, nang ban kulit, nang ban le football, nang ban le kai, nang ban ruai, nang ban tem kita kisah. Sudah jingnang jingstar. Sudah dia mata jingnang jingstar. Jingnang jingstar kali Jingshai.
Sabti 6